is Mark from Entrepreneur Zone here. If you had to learn about dropshipping, eBay, Amazon, Shopify, and now Walmart Dropshipping, subscribe to my channel, like the video, hit the bell notification. You're not getting these videos anywhere else. So, what we're going to do in this video is simply talk about filling out your company information as well as what to fill out in your company, and I show you what to fill out in your company information in the Walmart Seller Center. So the display name is simply the name that they're going to see. What we chose is something retail. I'm going to blur this out so you can't see the name. The logo, you have to upload the logo. The logo that needs to be 400 by 50 pixels. And then you have to put a basic company description. The company description has to go completely in line with the actual company that got applied for this account and got approved. The company that I am managing this account for is a healthcare solutions group that is now getting into retail. So we just kind of outline that. X Retail is part of this group, a distributor of so on and so on. With 10 years in e-commerce experience, we decided to expand the footprint more into retail and hit save. It's a basic description. I would say you want to highlight your reliability and quickness, but all that is good. So let me show you where that's going to show up. I'll find another store. Where is this thing? This is another store. This is a store page of one of the and this is where the description will show up here about the seller. Okay? Alright guys, have a good one. Subscribe to my channel, like my video. If you want us to manage your Walmart account, there's a link in the description to that. If you want to learn how to drop ship, join Entrepreneur Zone. If you want us to open your Walmart account for you, build a business that would get approved for Walmart, let me know as well. That link is in the description as well. www.passive.com. There's a link to that in the description. Have a good one, guys.